The ideas for Wild developed through the museum's mission to think about bridging the understanding between cultures in a more sustainable world. And Wild is one of those places where we do that and we feel that, especially when we're trying to be more socially just in our work and environmentally just. So we were bringing together ideas of where does culture and where does environment and climate crisis and climate solutions all come together, and that's through Wild. When visitors come to visit Wild, what I want them to feel is that there's something familiar in the exhibition, but then also to be surprised by something, to find out something new. This is the first exhibition we're putting into that new space. And so there's been a lot of talking with visitors, talking with researchers. We have this incredible new space. It can fill so many different stories. How do we make it happen? We got to go to different places. And so we went up to the Isle of Arran at Lamb Lash Bay to hear about the no-take zone and all the great community action they're doing. And I was just so surprised by how a small community could make such big action from a thought. So it started with two men that were scuba diving and noticed changes. It was just incredible to see how a thought that they had together could build into such remarkable action. And there's a lobster in that no-take zone that's almost bigger than me and might even be bigger than me. And that's just incredible because that area has been blocked off. I didn't even know they got that big. I very luckily got to go to Yellowstone. I was just born just north of it, so I've been going to Yellowstone National Park since I was a little kid, and I love wolves. I love wolves so much. And I actually saw one cross the road right in front of me, and I was just so overjoyed because I have so much respect for these animals. This is my absolute favorite object at Manchester Museum because it's not an object. It is a wolf, but then also followed by Tatanka. So the bison right here, and look how massive they are. Where I'm from in the States, this is called Tatanka. I can't wait for you to come and meet Tatanka too.